Welcome back to another video. Today I am on Bloxburg. Sorry, this wasn't the video, I was very secret. And I'll just be showing you my daily routine. So yeah, let's get on with the video. There we go. Oh, don't mind this, I was roleplaying. Here we go. Alright. Hold on, let me just put this slime away. I've just been playing with it, but it's really sticky and I don't like it. I need to get rid of it. I can't sell it yet. Alright, so, yeah. This is my house. My new one. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly get my stats up before I start this video. Actually, I'll give you a house tour first. So, wait a minute. So, you're in the garden and you have just a little camping site and a little picnic basket and a mini cool box and then your picnic table. And then over here you have your garage with like one bike. Don't ask why, but yeah. And then you walk in here to a little patio area. And then you walk in, you see the table and chairs. Come to your right and you see the little room. Pretty cute. And then you come in here, the bathroom. And then you walk straight ahead and you get your kitchen. And then you come up the stairs to the kiddie bedrooms. There's a purple one, a red one, and a blue one. And there's a mini sitting area there. And then you come up to, well, my room slash the parents' room, which is just like a normal room. And then come out onto the balcony with hammocks. So yeah, that is my house. So let's get on with my daily routine. Let's go. So what I usually start off doing, because now that it's night, you get into your pajamas and just go up to bed for a bit. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to bed at 9 o'clock. We can sit and watch some TV for a bit. Watch the cooking if you want to read. Let's see. So we need our phone. Not much on the definitely. And we can go and play on the laptop. Oh no, I didn't think that through. And play a bit of Bloxburg. Right, zoom, flying. My phone there. Plant in my picture. But yeah, there we go. Okay, sorry about that. It's my family here, but it's fine. I don't have to go yet. Okay, so played a bit of that. Now we're just gonna nip down to the toilet. I need to switch for this light here. Oh, I need to colour that. Actually, we want Korea. Nope, okay. And we use the toilet. Okay, so we're doing the toilet. Gonna wash our hands like so, and then brush our teeth before bed for 2 minutes. There we go. Nice and clean and refresh. Okay, we're gonna get a little midnight feast, even though it's not midnight yet. But oh well. We can get toast. Just that. What I'm saving up for is another house plot, because I love building houses, and I'm gonna build like a house and then one that I'm not too keen on, so like I can keep deleting it and building new ones, if you know what I mean. Cause like I think that's a good idea. But yeah, I'm going to eat that and then I'm going to go upstairs. Ugh, can't reach it. There you go. Back to my lovely room. Now, do I have an alarm? Yes, I do. Set my alarm for 5 AM. There we go. Alright, night guys.